the trees that were planted here back in the 90s, they either died from a disease or something, but many of them have sort of lived their life, you might say. And so this was, when it was planted, it was probably planted a little bit too close together. So a lot of things that were planted here aren't here anymore. Bigger trees right there, those are magnolia trees. They get a yellow blossom, and then these two are alike. They're also magnolias, but a different kind, and they get a kind of purple and white blossom. And then those two small ones over here are also magnolias. So in the spring, they're very, very nice. And deciding what to plant, we planted at this part and over on the other side, things that don't normally grow here. For example, this big tree, this is called a sweet gum tree, that big tree right there. And Rich, you can tell them, what's the history and the natural habitat of the sweet gum?
Well, the liquid amber styraciflume is a species that's more common, common in the southeastern part of the United States. And it's been pushed farther out of its natural zone, and into it almost takes on the role in this latitude and longitude as an exotic. It's used more and more in urban landscapes, in urban areas like Omaha and Lincoln. But 30 years ago, when this tree was planted as a small balled and burlapped tree, it was out of its native zone, and it's adapted well here. And they're always trying to get kind of scientifically honed down cultivars that work in these kind of central plains areas. But that's a beauty. And look at the blooms on that witch hazel there. That's been blooming now for about a month.
We should go over there and look closer so you get a shot of
close up of those yellow blooms. Normally the witch hazel will bloom in January, February, but this species, for 2 years in a row, it's bloomed in late November and early December. Confetti-like blooms. It's a beauty. It's at full growth right there.